Okay, once you've got the data entered, the next thing we'd want to do is put a formula in here to calculate our profit. Now notice in cell E4, I have a place for that already, and the profit would be the selling price, the selling price minus the purchase price. And this is a simple formula that you would type in here. And we always start formulas with the equal symbol, so I'm going to type equal to. Now I can actually type D4 minus C4, and that would put, and notice it highlights what the cells are in that formula. So this would create a formula D4 minus C4, and I would enter it here. And notice it displays as 25, but when you click on cell E4, you can see what's actually in that cell. It's D4 minus C4. Now let me show you another way. I'm going to press delete to get rid of that. I'm going to show you another simpler way to enter formulas, much more visual and easy to see as you're doing it. I'm going to type in the equal symbol here, and I'm just going to click on D4, and then I'm going to click the minus symbol, and then I'm going to click C4. So you can just click on the cells that you're referencing in your formula, and then just type the operators in between as you go. So I can press enter again, and it shows 25. Now the next step, we want profit. It shows $25 profit because that's 55 minus the 30 gives us 25. I'd like to enter a formula here as well. Now I could just go ahead and type the formula, which in this case would be D5 minus C5. I could do that. I could type that for each one, but imagine if we had 100 or 1,000 items. This would take an awful lot of time. So instead, we can copy the formula from here. Now, it won't copy it exactly the same. It's great because what it'll do is it'll change this formula from D4 to C4. It'll change that to E4. It'll change that from D to D5 minus C5 here for this cell. And it'll do the same thing all the way down. So it doesn't make an exact copy, but it makes a relative copy based upon where the formula is being copied to. So the easiest way to do this, now you could click on it, you could go up to the top on your home tab, and you could choose the copy and paste up in here. But this thing is also, an easier way would be to make use of something called the fill handle, F-I-L-L handle. And you can just grab this little green box in the corner. Notice it changes to a different mouse pointer, and I can drag this down. As I drag it down, it makes the appropriate formula in each of these cells.